Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit 9. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on Trust Wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone and log in using your passcode or fingerprint. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the Crypto tab. Scroll down and look for Solana in the list. If you don't see it right away, tap Manage Crypto at the bottom of your screen. This will open the token search page. In the search bar, type Solana or SOL, and you should see Solana SOL appear in the search results. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. Tap on that switch to enable Solana in your wallet. Once you've done that, go back to your home screen, and you should now see Solana listed in your tokens. To buy Solana, tap on Solana on your home screen, then tap the Buy button. Next, enter the amount of Solana you want to purchase. You'll then see several payment methods like Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, or your credit or debit card. Select the payment option that works best for you. For example, if you choose Google Pay, tap on it to continue. You'll be redirected to the payment page where you'll need to confirm your details and complete the payment. Once your payment is successful, your Solana will appear in your Trust Wallet balance, ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully bought Solana on Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.